Rockville RXM-S20 Proton Series 1600w peak, 400w Dyno-Certified RMS 4-channel micro marine ATV amplifier with PA microphone included. PA microphone with talkover. When you talk on the mic it will must the music, and when you stop talking the music will come back on. Dyno-Certified RMS power ratings. Certified Dyno Test, less than 1% THD. Use these ratings when comparing with top brands such as Kicker, Rockford Fosgate, etc. 300 watts, 4 by 75 watts, at 4 ohms and 1% THD+N. 400 watts, 4 by 100 watts, at 2 ohms less than 1% THD. 400 watts, 2 by 200 watts, bridged at 4 ohms less than 1% THD. Peak. Use these ratings when comparing with the top budget brands such as Bass, Power Acoustik, etc. Marine amplifier with conformal coated PCB board. High-speed MOSFET Power Supply. Studio-grade Bipolar Output Stage Transistors. Double-sided surface mount, SMD PCB Design. Selectable plus 6 decibels, plus 12 decibels Bass Equalizer at 45 Hz. Channel separation, 50 decibels. Current drawn at max RMS output, 27A at 4 ohm, 40A at 2 ohm. Efficiency at max RMS output, 70% at 4 ohm, 63% at 2 ohm. 2 ohm stable stereo. 4 ohm mono bridgeable. 3-channel mixed mono capable. Input sensitivity, 200 mV to 6 volts. Mute and delay soft start system. Full IC controlled protection circuitry. 2CH, 4CH input mode switch. RCA preamp line output. 8-volt preamp circuitry. Status mode LED indicator. 4-gauge Lucite encapsulated power ground terminals. 12-gauge Lucite encapsulated speaker terminals. THD+A, 0.01%. Frequency response, 15 Hz to 20 kHz. Continuously fully adjustable 12 decibels octave crossover with differential circuitry. Continuously fully adjustable high-pass crossover, 50Hz to 50Hz. CH1 CH2 high-pass 50 Hz to 250 Hz. CH3 CH4 low-pass 50 Hz to 250 Hz. CH3 CH4 high-pass 50 Hz to 250 Hz. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent value, built very well. This thing is built very well, it's kinda heavy, but that means it does not have cheap parts in it. The sound that puts to my speakers, sub is incredible. I had the Pile 400 watt marine amp and didn't like it. Put this amp in and it's night and day difference. Spend the extra bit of money and get this one. This amp is powering 2 Pile 600 watt marine 6.5 speakers and a Pile 400 watt 8 sub. The sub is bridged on the amp with channels 3-4 and sounds very good. The 6.5 are very loud. Would buy again.